Welcome to Staying Home with Stacey. I really appreciate y'all stopping by my YouTube channel and checking out my videos. I just am doing a bunch of fun stuff here, some cooking, trying some new recipes, some gardening, cocktail making. We do a lot of cocktail making here. Today we're going to try a little something that I saw on Facebook, and I want to see if it actually works. So the thing I saw was that you take a rose, and I happen to have a rose that's still somewhat alive from Mother's Day, and you put some honey on the stem, you stick it in a potato, and you plant it. And that's supposed to, the honey is supposed to stimulate the roots, and the potato is supposed to fertilize it, and it's supposed to grow into a rose bush that will then later transplant if this actually works. So I've trimmed my stem just a little bit here, and I'm going to put some honey on it. They show in their video just dunking the flower in the honey, but I don't want to do that because I don't want it all over the place, although it looks like I'm going to get it all over the place a little bit. And then I've just got a very small russet potato that was at the bottom of the bag growing eyes, and I stuffed it down in there. I did cut a little slit in there just so that it would go in easier. And then I'm just making a hole in my soil. I'm stuffing that down in there, covering it up. And the video I saw, they trimmed off the head, so goodbye rose, and all of the leaves. And we're just gonna see if this works. So we'll check on this from time to time, and hopefully we'll have roses. Otherwise, we will have debunked a little Facebook magic. Anyway, check back with us in a little bit, okay?